Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ayurvani. Balance is the key to life. Today our health, fitness and illness are greatly influenced by our lifestyle and mindset. Nowadays, due to disturbed lifestyle that is faulty dietary habits and wrong behavioral pattern, life expectancy has been decreased and health seems much more valuable after we lose it. So, what to do? Ayurveda gives primary importance to prevention and maintenance of positive health by following ahara, that is dietary regimen, and vihara, that is day to day activities. Physical action, which is desirable and capable of bringing about bodily stability and strength, is known as Vyayama. Why this topic? Because globally, 1 in 3 adult is not active enough. Alternation in lifestyle in form of proposed physical activities would be a best solution to foster lifetime fitness and wellness. How to perform a proper physical exercise? Oil massage be done before indulging in physical exercise for better benefit. According to Ayurveda, the quantity of Vyayama varies according to different person on basis of body type and season. Exercising according to Prakriti of person can be advised based on strength of the person. That is, Bhatika person can do dance, aerobics, walking, and light bicycling. Pythika person can do mountain climbing, swimming, walking, running, etc. Kafaja person can do weightlifting, aerobics, rowing, running, walking, etc. A person who can perform exercise daily can even digest unhealthy and improperly digested food. In cold and in spring season, it is advised to do exercise to half of his capacity, that is, till the appearance of hard breathing, perspiration on a axilla, forehead, nose, arms, and shoulder. Generally, these symptoms are noted on exertion so to prevent overexertion. This amount will differ from person to person based on strength. For example, if individual swims 20 minutes, do only 10 minutes. If you can run 4 miles, run half. In summer, rainy, and autumn season, less than half of energy should be consumed. Individual's capacity corresponds to the total amount of energy accessible at a given time, beyond which people are completely tired and cannot go any additional. The purpose of exercise is not to drain all the energy, but to produce more of it. Exercising beyond this limit leads to anaerobic respiration and result in accumulation of lactic acid causing pain. And further exercise can lead to diseases, that is depletion of tissues, excessive thirst, bleeding disorders, darkness in front of eyes, cough, fever and vomiting. Exercise must be done on empty stomach but not on being hungry because decreased blood flow to gastrointestinal tract leads to improper digestion. Proper exercise brings about lightness to body, increases capacity to do work, stability, ability to withstand all types of misery. Regular exercise also retards the process of aging. Elevation of doshas, that is specifically kapha, helps body to shape up, increases muscle strength, improves digestion power, and maintains health. It is also prescribed in treatment of diseases caused by suppression of urges and vomiting, and also a line of treatment in obesity and stupor. Lastly, after doing exercise, all part of body, especially feet, is to be massaged comfortably. And then the next topic is gentle walking, which is not very tiring to body, which has been advised to have daily at least for 30 minutes. It improves memory, strength, digestive capacity, and function of strength organ. Last but not the least is about the sitting position. Proper sitting position includes not to sit on a hard seat, sit on a height less than knee joint. It should be supine with hip and knees in 90 degrees of flexion. Remove weight from the feet and maintain a stable body posture. Sitting on uncomfortable or hard seat, constant sitting, sitting on uncomfortable, irregular, and high seats by pregnant ladies are to be avoided. Sitting on a proper posture gives pleasure, improves complexion, increases kapha, and makes body delicate. So finally, nothing feels as good as being healthy feels. Healthy lifestyle not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, and your mood. Create a life that you can live with. Thank you and stay healthy.